What up, YouTube? EMT in Hawaii with a welcome back video. I've been off for a while, getting back into the hobby again, and missed all you guys that I used to talk to. So I have a collection of cards that I've gained over this past months or even year. I think I've been off that long. Even a good friend of mine, Chris Caflisch78, started doing group breaks again, so I've been joining his group breaks. He's been busting personal boxes for me, so you guys can see what he's busted for me. Most of this stuff is from him, and if you guys want to get something from him, I have his link below. So it's gonna be a long video, so I'm gonna start. So just some base cards here. From 2012 Chrome, Chris Givens, TJ Graham, Kendall Wright, Michael Floyd. I did a bunch of mixed stuff. Contenders 2012, Antonio Gates, out of 99. Lamar Miller, future running back for the Dolphins, hopefully. I heard some good stuff about this guy. Ashlon Jeffrey, another good prospect. Michael James, AJ Jenkins, from Chrome, Fran Tarkenton, black border for the PC, my Brock Osweiler, AJ Green refractor, Josh Freeman, pink refractor, or pink whatever, Russell Wilson, Michael Turner camel, and this is out of 499 for the PC, Willis McGahee, black, and that's 299. Brock Osweiler for the PC, refractor, and Andrew Luck. So let me get this on the side, you guys. It's gonna be a long one. Now, let's start off with, there's gonna be two separate piles because I scanned some. I don't want to mix them up. So from the first pile, we'll start off with the jerseys and stuff. From 2012 Crown, Mohamed Sanu jersey, Christian Ponder jersey, Devier Posey jersey, Lamar Miller jersey. Oh, this is, I think, shoe. Yeah, just a little puka or hole. I don't think you guys know what a puka is. Austin Pettis jersey auto, Rob Husler from 2011 Crown, and from 2011 Contenders, Edmund Clyde Gates. Short print of Lamar Miller. Short print Chris Givens. Another short print Rod Streeter. Not a regular hits, Case Keenum, Bobby Rainey, Shea McKellen, Sean Spence, Melvin Ingram, Chris Polk, Jeff Fuller, and I actually got this in a group break. Old school Dolphins, Mark Super Duper jersey auto out of 2012 Crown, and it's out of 49. Okay. And this was a bunch of redemptions that I also got. From Chrome, Stephen Hill. Another Stephen Hill from 2012 Limited, the Phenoms. Alfred Morris from Limited. Robert Turbin from Contenders. A Devier Posey gold from Crown Royal. A Derek Wolf from Crown. And small mojo right here, Trent Richardson purple, which is out of 25. We'll see how long Panini and Topps takes to get that back to me. I haven't redeemed them yet. Now some of the autos here. Oh, this is some pickups from eBay and the forums. And this is from a group break. Eric Berry out of 400. Juron Kreiner from 2012 SPA. I think this guy has some potential. Only if the Raiders can get a good QB. Another Juron Kreiner. Ben Tate. I just picked this up just hoping that, you know, if Arian Foster ever goes down, he'll be a good backup and he actually can stay healthy this year. Another Ben Tate. For my PC, Brock Osweiler. And this is out of 99. Can't see the numbering. And for my super duper PC, or I guess not super duper, but Haloti Nagata Contenders rookie auto. And a Torrey Smith NFL equipment patch out of 5. 3 of 5. Now for the second set, now it's gonna be a lot of jerseys again. So Dwayne Bowe, Phillip Rivers, Junior Seau. Nice 3-color Sam Bradford patch. I think this is out of 49. Joe Adams from Crown. A nice 3-color of Ryan Tannehill from Crown. And this is actually numbered out of 49 also. A nice Lamar Miller from Certified. Actually, this is out of 25. Ryan Broyles jumbo jersey. Christian Ponder. Bernard Pierce. Brock Osweiler. Travis Benjamin. George Iloka. Nigel Bradham. Sean Spence. And Luke the Cook Kuechly. Now, to the best hits that he got for me so far, well, let's see, a Nick Toon out of 49. Nick Toon and Stephen Hill has been my 2 guys that's been chasing me. This is like my second one like this, or third one. Nice Brian Quick, Phenoms, nasty patch. This is out of 49. Nice Nick Folk. Oh, Folk. Nick Folk. Nick Foles. Out of 49. Nice PC hit. Brock Osweiler. Out of 49. Now, this last 2 hits. Now, remember, you guys. Chris, you guys better check him out. Caflisch78. Busted these boxes for me. So, this is one of my 2 big hits. A nice Jim Kelly 3 patch auto out of 5. And then here comes the boom. Let's see if we can slow roll it this way. Oh, let's go this way, because when he put it, he was going this way, and I saw as soon as I saw that, Andrew Luck from 2012 Limited. Auto number 13 of 25. So you guys better check out Chris. If you guys want something from him, give him a message, shoot him a message. He'll gladly hook you guys up. You guys, I just want to say, I'll be seeing you guys around, and I'm glad to be back. Okay, you guys, peace. I'll see you guys later.